Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll quickly show you how you guys can enter a questionnaire into your Wix website. So let's get right into it. Now, I've made a basic Google form, as you can see here, and it just says Wix form with a one test question and two options. And I'm going to be using this as my questionnaire. Now, the principle is the same. You can just add whatever you want to your form and make it the questionnaire of your choice. What you're going to want to do is go to send first, go to the second icon, which is the link, then copy the link if you want to. You can shorten the URL if you want to as well, for example, like so, and just copy that link and then go over to Wix, enter your website editor, and once you edit it through your dashboard, you'll get to your main page first, and let's just let it load for a bit. It is extremely slow for me. I'm not sure why that's happening. Hope that's not happening to you, but it is what it is. We'll just have to wait a couple of seconds. And what we're going to do is we're going to embed that link that I just copied previously. So make sure you have the copy of your link copied. As you can see, we are over here now. And I'll go and scroll down to the next page, which is empty. Just click on new page. I just added an empty page. You can do that as well. And then I go to add elements, click on embed code, and embed HTML, add that to the site. And as you can see here, you can add code or the website address. I'll select the website address, enter the link of our Google form, add alt text, just say questionnaire, and that should be it. And as you can see, that form is now here. If I scroll down, you should see the entire form, but it is not showing, so I need to extend this. And yeah, that is basically it. Now, as you can see, the questionnaire is on my board, but we do need to extend the view like so and make it actually look like something. And as you can see, now the questionnaire has been added and you can access this HTML through your site. And that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.